Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you hear chirping, that is my chickens and ducklings. They're in the brooder over here in the dining room. So I have to work on organizing my kitchen, and instead of doing like one super long video because it'll take a while, I'm gonna break it up into sections. So I'm gonna start, I've already done my pantry and my fridge, and I'm gonna do my kitchen drawers now. I don't know if I'm gonna do all of them in this video because my silverware drawers are already kind of organized. So I think in this one I'm just going to do like my utensil drawer, and then we'll move on from there. So enjoy. So this is the current status of my utensil drawer. It is a hot mess. This doesn't even go in here. This goes in this drawer, which needs to be next. But yeah, so I need to get some more organizers, but this is what we're working with right now. And then I've got these organizers for the drawers. This is my silverware drawer. This is my silverware drawer. It's not too awful right now, but it's not great either. So I need to like clean it out and wipe it out, but it's all right for now. So I'm not exactly sure how I'm gonna put them in here yet, but it's gonna be something like this for now. Okay, so I found these $2 Tree bins as well. So I've designed this for now. I don't know if it's gonna stay like this, but we'll see if this works. Oh, nice and neat.